What's up, traders? Wanted to go over one of the big short stocks today that had a good run yesterday. That's Ligand Pharmaceuticals, which is about 65% short. Um, so we see yesterday had a run from about 155 to about 198. That's about 27%. And so if we look at the options near where the stock almost reached, we'll see that's a $200 price. Let's see. Okay, here's a $200 call. Moved yesterday from 10 to about 27. That's about 180% return. But if you could have got it 2 days ago, it traded as low as about 360. And then next day actually went up to 3,000. So that's about, let's just say you got over here 27.94. That's a percent of about 676% in 2 days. Actually, you could have probably sold it here for about the same price. Instead of the top, you're not going to get the top most likely, but you could have sold at 2,700. That's about a 650% gain. So that's the big mover for today. And I'll make a video soon on other stocks that are heavily shorted, just like GameStop. All right, have a good day. Good luck.